Hi, Judd here. Just a quick little thing here. I just want to show, this is why I put that stone in there. This is the drip from the roof. We had a heavy rain last night, and as you can see, it didn't splatter dirt all over everything in the area. Normally after heavy rain, all this stuff is covered with a fine dirt and looks like hell. And so putting the stones there kept the splashing down, so everything near here didn't get all messed up with the heavy rain, okay, which was the idea of that. So very good on that. And there you can see my beautiful post there with the things going, and my pencil cactus back there looking very nicely this morning, and the newly transferred one. Hopefully that'll take off. Lost a lot of leaves on this last night. Looks like I'm going to lose a bunch more. Yeah, so I don't know. That might not be liking the cold. Not exactly Hawaii here. Anyways, just a quick little thing there because I'm very happy that my stones worked. Happy day to you.